So hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. So in this video, I will show you how to take backup and restore of entire Chrome, including account profile, bookmarks and etc. Okay, so before going to start today's video, let me show you the Chrome profile. So I have one profile account over there and I will take backup of it and we will move it on new system, right? So let's close it and go to the file manager. Click on this PC, click on C drive, click on user and select your user. And here what you need to do, we have to select app data which is not appearing, right? Because it is hidden directory. So first of all we have to make it visible. Just click on view, click on show and click on hidden items, and right there you can see the app data directory is appearing. And just select this folder, go to inside, select local and then select Google, then select Chrome. So this is the actual directory which we have to take the backup, right? So just click on this directory and click right click and then copy. Just copy and paste it wherever you want, right? So I'm just pasting this directory on drive D. So it will take few minutes or it can be take more than 10 minutes, right? It depend on your actual yeah, replace. It's a depend on your Chrome data, right? So I have taken the backup and now I'm going to connect my another machine. This is my another system and I will here I want to restore my data which we have taken, right? So what I'm going to do, let me show you the Chrome profile. It is completely fresh and here I will restore the all data. So what I'm going to do, I have connected this system to the remote device. So I'm going to transfer my all of the data. uh, First of all, wait just a minute. Okay, I'm going to transfer it on download. So I have successfully uploaded the file on my new system and the file is in downloads directory. And what you guys need to do here, first of all close the Chrome browser and make sure your browser should be closed and then copy the data. Okay, let's go. Just do the same thing whatever we have done on our previous system. Just go to downloads, this PC, and then select C drive, then select user, then select the username, and again here we have to go on app data which is not appearing because it is hidden file. So just same thing, do the same thing, click on view, then select click on the hidden items, and here is app data. Just go inside the app data, then local, then Google, then Chrome, then user data. So it is fresh user data. Just rename it and make it old and paste your new one. Okay, it is moving. It is moving, right? And now just open your Chrome browser. Yeah, we have successfully completed this task, and I have restored my Chrome data. This is my account profile. Let me click on that. Yeah, so I got my Chrome profile and even all the data over there. So thank you for watching me.